Hello friends, thanks for joining AVI TECH-LEARN. Today we're going to learn a new technique that will help you to protect your files as well as your folder. I'll try to finish this one in 2 minutes. I already created new folder here, AVI TECH-LEARN. Inside this folder, I have here 3 files. Let me protect this folder. Right click, I'll go to the properties and there is a word called security. In the security, you'll get the administration. Click on the administration, edit. Again, you'll get one more dialog box. In this dialog box, again, you have to go to the administrator. Click on the administrator and you can see here, I'm going to check mark all the boxes. You have to check mark on all of this. So just apply this and it will ask for some settings. Just give it S and give it OK. And here also you have to give it OK. Once we done this, let us open the folder now. Right click, open folder. You can see here, the file whatever we had, it's not showing and we are getting this message. You don't currently have permission to access this folder. When I click on continue, you have been denied permission to access this folder. Even though there are some files were there in the folder, we cannot open that, we cannot see that. Let us go back. We'll try to rename the folder. Rename. I'm going to rename the folder. You can see here, there is no option to rename this folder. Next, let me try to delete the folder. Right click, I'll try to delete the folder. It will not give the option to delete the folder. Even if I click on the continue, it will not give the option to delete the folder. This option will help us to protect our folder and whatever is there inside the folder, that files we can protect. Now how to remove this protection? Now the same process we have to follow. Right click, go to the properties, go to the security, and we have again here administrator, edit. Again click on the administrator and we have to uncheck the boxes. Make sure you click on the administrator and uncheck the boxes again and apply, give it OK. Again click on OK. Now I have the option where I can access the folder. You can see here I can access the folder. Thanks for joining AVI TECH-LEARN. Please do like and share the video. Thanks for your support. See you all.